Hello friends. Today is my first video about CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences. As you know, the exam for 2016 December is closer, so I am decided to give you all topic-wise suggestions for particularly for Group C. In later, obviously, I give the videos for Group C. Now, come to the point. CSIR UGC NET December 2016 for life sciences. Now come to the point 1. Amino acids and proteins. These are one of the most important topics. Amino acid you can get one questions, and from protein you can get one question. Minimum two questions you can get from amino acids and protein for group C. CO. Group 2, like point 2, sorry, geological time scale. It is very much important for group B also. You can get only one question for group C or maybe not, but you can get minimum one question for group B, sometimes more, but for group C you can get only one questions. Okay, now come to the point 3, apoptosis. This is the topic most important. Okay, you can get obviously one question from it for group C. Every year you can get one question from the apoptosis. Okay, so you have to prepare for that very well. Come to the point 4, gene regulation. Gene regulation, I mean operant system, particularly lac operon and tryptophan operon. Okay, you can get minimum two questions from it, one from lac operon or one from tryptophan operon, or two from lac operon, or each. So it is important. Come to the point 5. Here I will discuss about developmental biology. So you know about Drosophila pattern formation. Drosophila apply pattern formation, and obviously Dictyostylum, stalk spore, and stalk development regulation. Drosophila pattern formation, Dictyostylum spore, stalk development, spore and stalk development regulation, and C. elegans, vulva development, and obviously cheek, limb, and frog limb. Especially cheek limb is important. Frog limb development and regulation of that kind of gene. So I am talking about Drosophila pattern formation, Dictyostylum spore and stalk development regulation, C. elegans vulva development, and obviously most importantly cheek limb and frog limb development and regulation of that kind of gene. So you have to prepare for that, and you can get minimum 2 to 3 questions from here. Okay, so you have to prepare it very well. Come to the point 6, phylogenetic chart. Phylogenetic chart. You can get one question for group C. Phylogenetic chart, it come from various types of various modes. So you have to prepare for that, and you can get one question from phylogenetic chart. Okay. Now come to the point 7, cell cycle and its regulation. You can get minimum one question surely from here. Okay. So cell cycle and its regulation, you can get one question. Its regulation, that means I am talking about the checking point, regulation of check point. So it's very much important for the CSR UGC net for December, and you have to prepare for it. Come to the point 8, animal hormone. Animal hormone, you can get minimum one sure question from here, like sex hormones, like okay, growth hormones, or that means ADH, antidiuretic hormone, or such like that. Such like that mean thyroid, parathyroid, pancreatic glands, which release hormones. It is very much important, and you can get minimum one question from here. Okay, come to the point 9, plant hormone. You can get obviously one question from here, and you have to prepare for that. Sorry for the disturbance. Come to the point 10, uh, photosynthesis. This is a very much important topic for CSR UGC net, and you can get minimum two questions from here. Okay, so you have to prepare very well, and you have to prepare very carefully for that. So you can get two questions from group C. Okay, now come to the point 11, animal excretory system. You can get one question from here for group C, animal excretory system, that means kidney, the regulations of kidney, nephrons, etc. Okay, you have to prepare for that, and the regulation of urines in high blood pressure, low blood pressure, you have to prepare for that, and you can obviously easily can get one questions from here for group C. Come to the point 12, replication and DNA damage repair. You can get obviously two questions from here, replication and DNA damage repair. One question from replication and one question from DNA damage repair. That means the nucleotide excision repair, base excision repair, non-homologous repair, homologous end joining repair, such kind of repair for end junctions. Such kind of questions you can get from DNA damage repair, and obviously replication and its inhibitors are mainly important. Sometimes you can get matching up to groups, so you have to prepare for that, and it is very much important for CSIR UGC net. Okay, come to the point 13, transcription and translation. You can get easily questions from two questions from here, especially translation is very much important, and transcription is important, but post modification of the transcription is very much important here. So you have to prepare very well post transcriptional modification and translation and post translational modification. You can get two questions obviously from there. I know you are very familiar for replication, transcription, translation, because you are preparing it for since class 12. So it is very important and very familiar for you. So I decide that I have to say like that, two questions from here and two questions from there. So four questions you can get easily. You can get easily for CSI or UGC net. Remind that only 25 questions from 75 questions you have to attempt. Okay, so you have to write down 25 questions, and you can easily get CSI UGC net. Come to the point 14. Fudge regulation. You can get one question from fudge regulation, that means lytic cycle regulation or lysogenic cycle regulation. It is very much important. Crow gene and such kind of repressor and Q gene, anti-terminator. So the regulation of fudge lytic and lysogenic life cycle, it is very much important. You can get one question from here very frequently. I don't like say, but you may get. Okay, so you have to prepare for that. Come to the part 15. Enzyme. This is the one type of topic that you can get very frequent asked question for group C, and you have to prepare for that. Sometimes numerical problems come from enzyme, and sometimes theoretical like inhibition. So if you are afraid of doing the numerical problems, so you can go for theoretical problems. So you have to prepare for enzyme kinetics and obviously inhibitions, mode of inhibitions of enzyme. Okay, you can obviously get one question from here. Now come to the part 16. Stress biology of plant. You can get obviously one question from here surely, and you have to prepare for that. You think this is a very vast type of topic, but it is not actually. You have to prepare just topic wise. Come to the point. You don't have to prepare for all type of topics. Okay, so come to the point 17. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is one type of important question, important topic, and you can get one question from here for group C. So you have to prepare for that, and come to the point 18. Darwin's theory. And Lamarckism. You can get one question from Darwin's theory and Lamarckism. Generally, they give questions from Darwin's theory. Sometimes not, but you have to prepare for that. Okay, because it is very common topic for all, and they may ask from here. So you have to prepare for that. Come to the point 19. There are some biological cycles, so you have to prepare for that, like tricarboxylic acid TCA cycle, electron transport chain or ATS system, C3 cycle, C2 cycle, C4 cycle. Obviously you can get two questions from here sure, and you have to prepare for their regulation. Check the regulation of that, and sorry, I have forget for glycolysis. Obviously it is one of the important. You have to prepare all of that. Okay, it is very simple. Now come to the point 20. Pedigree analysis. You can get one question for group C or sometimes more, but it is very much important. Sometimes you can they ask frequently that given the frequency of pedigree analysis, so or mode of inheritance in pedigree analysis, you can get B group questions from here obviously, and C group also. So you have to prepare for that, and surely you can get one question for group C. Come to the point 21. classical genetics, that means Mendelian genetics. Mendelian genetics, you can get minimum 3 questions from here, minimum. Okay, so you have to prepare for that and solve the problems and solve for theoretical questions also. Come to the 22. Non-Mendelian, that means non-classical. Non-Mendelian genetics, you can get 3 questions from here, obviously, like gene interaction, allelic interactions. You can get 3 questions from here. So you have to prepare very well this genetics questions. Mutation is also important, so you have to prepare for that. You can get minimum 1 question from here. Okay, so in genetics, generally, if you want to crack, so it is very much vital to prepare the genetics topic. Okay, come to the point 24. Ecology, I'm not mentioning that. Actually, that is important. Sorry, I written down. Though there are many other questions, topics are very much important, like ecology, animal behavior and evolution, biotechnology. But I'm not talking about that, because if you are very well prepared, then you can go there. Okay. Otherwise, you can't touch that type of questions. So for the poor students, I written down here total. So let's count it. Total number of questions: 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 9, 30, 36, 37. You can get 37 questions from here. Obviously, 37 questions from here without preparing ecology, biotechnology, animal behavior and evolution, biotechnology, such kind of harder topics, or instrumentation biology. So easily you can get 37 questions from prepare for this topic, and you have to attempt 25 questions only. It is not necessary you have to attempt 25 questions also all time, but obviously you have to prepare for that. So easily you can get 600. I am double tick the giving the double tick the important ones, but other ones you have to prepare also. Okay, come to the amino acids and protein, apoptosis, gene regulation, drosophila, cell cycle, animal hormone, plant hormone, photosynthesis, animal excretory system, replication and DNA damage repair, transcription also. Phase regulation is not so important, but sometimes they asked for their enzymes, stress biology, nitrogen fixation, sometimes Darwin's theory, Lamarckism, obviously TCA cycles, pedigree analysis is important. Okay, and these also are important. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20 topics you have to prepare very carefully, and you can go for the CSIR UGC net. And thank you, that's it. So please like and subscribe my video if you are like it. Thank you.